Hey guys, so we're gonna do a fun little Taco Tuesday tribute for you right now. We're gonna do some what we call Ketchy's Tacos. So this is a taco based off of one of our favorite little taco stands in Los Angeles, a place that Lauren loved to go to growing up. It got destroyed and they got rebuilt, but these are just kind of fun, hamburger style tacos that we love to make whenever we're just craving a little bit of LA flavor. So we have some ground beef that we've just pressed out into little patties, super thin. We're gonna cook them just real quick on a cast iron. We got some classic American cheese, some shredded lettuce, a little bit of pico de gallo, sour cream, and then just a little bit of tapatio hot sauce mixed with a little bit of vinegar. We're gonna do these on corn tortillas. They're gonna be fantastic, quick, great little fun Taco Tuesday treat for you. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So one of the keys to any traditional taco, if you go to Mexico City, if you go to a traditional taqueria, something that's really authentic that you'll see we're going to do here today, is heating up your tortillas in the oil that is kind of cooked with the meat. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this cast iron pan to sear all of our meat, and then we're going to take our corn tortillas and we're going to toast them in that oil, kind of almost like pan fry, but not quite fry. Just to get them soft and really kind of soak up all that great flavor that's going to be left in this pan from our meat. So we've got our super thin but seasoned meat. We seasoned it with a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt, cumin, and black pepper. We're going to take that, actually, so it's sticking to this paper a little bit. So we're just going to take it and plop it right in with the paper. We're going to let the steam from the paper kind of separate the meat from it. So we're going to let that sit there for a second. And then here in about 45 seconds to a minute, that paper will peel off nice and easy. All right, so our meat's been cooking for about 45 seconds now. So now we're just going to peel this paper off. Oh, yeah, perfect. So we're going to take our three in the middle that we started out first. We're going to move those off to the side just because the middle is a little bit hotter of our pan. And move the three that we started later. Put those in the middle. While the ones in the middle are cooking a little bit longer, we're going to go ahead and add some American cheese to our ones that are fully cooked already. Looking perfect here. So we're going to add our cheese to our last three. Pull out our first three onto the plate. So we were fortunate enough to have some really nice fatty ground beef here. So when I pull these last couple out, I'm actually going to pour off just a little bit of the fat from this pan so that I'm not soaking our tortillas in the fat, but still be able to kind of fry them. This fat, if you want to save it, is fantastic. Just like you would save bacon fat. Saving beef fat is going to be a great vessel that you could use for later things. All right, so we poured off a little bit of our fat. We're going to take our tortillas. We got six patties of meat. We got 6 tortillas. So we're going to just kind of, our pan is on, let's see, our pan is on heat 7 right now. So like kind of a medium high. We're going to fry these tortillas a little bit just until they start getting tender. We're only going to do it on one side. Trust me, when you're doing it in the fat, you only want to do it on one side. It's going to make your life a lot easier when you start plating these up. You only have one. You have one side that's going to be great for your clean hands, and one side that's going to have that nice, greasy, fatty, beautiful flavor in it. All right, guys, it's taco building time. So we got our meat, we got our pico de gallo, we got some chopped lettuce, we got some sour cream, we got some hot sauce. It's real simple. You're going to take one piece of meat, a little chopped lettuce, a little bit of pico de gallo, a little bit of sour cream, and then just a little bit of the hot sauce. You can always add more, you can't take it away. After that, we manja. Enjoy, guys. Stay sane and sated.